Oh, I'm sure. The sacrificial camera.
Okay.
Willingness to participate.
Willingness to participate. There we go. Is everybody ready?
We're fucking ready.
This is the iPhone versus a crossbow bolt.
Fuck.
There's no more iPhone.
Probably glad we didn't do that to Bruce.
Hefty box, untouched. So, iPhone in your pocket might save you from a crossbow.